Alright guys, so back day 2, we're installing the FI exhaust. If you want to check out these tips, this is one reason that we love going with FI exhaust. Their attention to detail, all their engraving on the tips, 8080 FI exhaust, freaking awesome. So when I was talking about attention to detail, check this out. They send this box, you have this badge, authenticity card, and this awesome Bluetooth remote that will open and close the valves. They will also include a badge on the exhaust, which is also numbered. This is super awesome. So enough talking about the exhaust, let's get this thing installed. Alright, so we got the whole exhaust installed. We're going to be putting on these tailpipes and then putting on the tips on the bumper and get it fully installed. Valves are open. So if you're going to a car show, cruise around the city, you want some attention, you want the valves opened.